Ooh.
You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line.
Hey Faith Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad you all came back to watch my video. So I know I've been kind of MIA for a little while now. If you guys want a separate video of where I've been and why I haven't been posting, leave that in the comment section down below. But as you guys can see by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on my very first ring light. And I don't know if you guys know, but I already use like the square box light, but I wanted to step my game up a little bit and get a ring light, because I can tell the difference between when you use a ring light versus when you use a square light. It's just a different lighting that I wanted to try out, and I wanted to see how the ring light differs from the square light that I already have. So I'm gonna stop talking now and let's get into the unboxing. I ordered my 14-inch LED ring light from Amazon, and I'm gonna just open it up now. Alright you guys, so this is my ring light, and I actually really like how it comes in a case. So let's open it up and see. I like how it has like this bubble wrap around it. Like, I'm gonna definitely have to follow the directions so I won't mess anything up. But I think this is like the actual ring light, and this is what you use to like put your camera on, and then I think this goes onto the stand. I think this is the charger. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to follow the directions because I don't know what this is. And I think this is my stand. I'm also going to show you guys how to set it up. But just be aware, I did not practice setting this up. So I'm definitely going to be learning as I go. So the directions already came in the case. I think this part is what you use when you want to like attach your phone to the ring light. I already had one of these for my tripod, but y'all, I'm still gonna follow the directions because I still don't really know what I'm doing. I don't. Alright, so the first step is setting up the light stand, and that's what this is. So I actually looked on the manual. You have to push it out, and you basically like push it down with your hands like this. Or you can bring it back up by just pulling it up or down. So let's tighten. This can actually go really high. You can also use these to go as high as you want also. See? Oh, use this one to like keep the base, and then you turn this one. You turn the one on the side to lower it, and then you tighten it with this, so that way this part won't move. So after you spread the legs outward, and once you move the actual pole stand, now you can install the LED ring light. You want to loosen this part. Alright you guys, so I'm back and I figured out how to actually work the ring light. But unfortunately I got the phone attachment stuck to the main part that you put onto the ring light to put your camera on. And unfortunately this part was supposed to go on here in case I ever wanted to like record off my phone. But now I can only use the ring light when I'm using my phone because this part is stuck. So I'm hoping that I can buy this like separately so that I can still use the table stand to use my ring light, and then have my camera or my phone attached on here. But until then I have to like, I guess, just use my regular tripod stand that I'm using on my camera right now. I have to use that, and then I'll just like have this light on the background, I guess. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I learned to attach the ring light to the light stand. So what you want to do is you want to get familiar with how these, do y'all hear that thunder? You want to get familiar with like how this works, how this loosens up, how it tightens, how this loosens up. You don't really want, I take that back, you actually don't want to really mess with this, because when you put it on here, you want to have this screw far back as possible. So you put the ring light on the light stand, and then the screw behind the light, you just want to twist it. This part right here, you want to just twist it. And there we go. Like I said before, this part, this originally comes separately, like not attached to this part. So when you do have this main silver piece right here, you want to screw that into the hole. And what I learned is you don't want to do it too tight. I think that was my mistake at the beginning. I twisted this on too tight. But you want to do it tight still, where it's not like coming loose. And actually this doesn't even work like this. It's supposed to be like this, so that way this part is like that, and then you attach your phone to it like that. So since I can't even use this part, I'm just going to show you guys how the ring light differs from the square light that I have. Alright, so this is the brightest that the ring light can go, and if I want to dim it a little bit, I can go right here and not be so blinded by the light. And if I want to go really low, I can go about maybe right here, still have some light, but it's not like overbearing. I can also do like a brownish color. This color is like white and brown a little bit, and this is all brown. I like this color because it's like, I feel like I'm at a studio or something. But yes, okay, period poo. But that's all I have for today's video, Faith Gang. I wanted to show you guys how to set up the ring light. I want to show you guys the different hues on the ring light, how it can go from white to brown, then from brown to white, and how you can dim the color. So if you enjoyed this video but haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to know exactly what kind of ring light I ordered, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. And again, if you guys want to know where I've been, why I haven't been posting so consistently, leave that in the comment section down below also. But I thank you guys again for watching my video and taking the time to watch my whole video. So thank you guys again, Faith Gang. Love you. See you guys in my next video.